This morning, we are celebrating the kind of strength and reliability that defines Indiana on the field and right here at home. As we cheer on IU in the championship, we are also highlighting a local HVAC company that shows up for our community every single day. Here to tell us more is Steve from Frank H. Monroe. Thanks for being here.
Thank you for having us. What an exciting time to be a Hoosier and a Southern Indiana business.
I know. I love all the unique ties to the game. Of course, we love our Southern Indiana businesses. So we are so thankful that you came on today to help us cheer them on.
Of course.
But tell us a little bit of history of Frank H. Monroe.
Sure. So Frank Monroe Heating and Cooling was started by my grandfather, Frank Monroe, in 1953. And we've been the go-to HVAC contractor for over 70 years. And my grandfather and I were season ticket holders of IU for years, and we're just excited for this time.
Oh, yes. I know they're going in as the #1 team.
Yes.
Which is incredible. This is going to go down in the history books for sure.
It is.
And so when it comes to HVAC, you want to work with someone local. You are the honest pros, local Joes that we all know. So tell us, why is it so important to hire that local person?
It's important because you get that neighborly service. You know, we always say we treat you like a neighbor because we are your neighbor. So many people don't realize that a lot of the people you see advertising on television or you hear advertising on the radio might look like they're local here, but their home office is actually in Nashville or in Boston or someplace like that. And there's been a real trend in our industry and in any of the home services industries to go that way. Kevin Massey with Project Heating Cooling and myself a couple years ago decided to put Project Heating Cooling and Frank Monroe Heating Cooling together, kind of do that same thing, but to keep it on a local basis. So we can offer better services, more services to the people of Southern Indiana and Louisville, and keep it local.
Yeah, really joining forces, having that teamwork each and every day.
Teamwork, that's right, yes.
Yes.
Go Hoosiers.
And so you guys have trucks going out all the time. Your employees mean so much to you. And actually, this is an employee-owned company.
It is, right. We've just recently become an ESOP, which is an employee stock option company. For years, I always thought that things could be better for our employees. And of course, you always think about that as far as pay and benefits. We were able to get there for a lot of our employees. But then here recently, Ron Castleman, who started Project Heating and Cooling, decided he wanted to give a gift to all employees and convert us to an employee-owned company. And I was thinking to myself, I never really thought that it could be that good for the employees. So the employees now, the company that they've worked for years, are actually owners of that same company.
Yeah, and that has just an extra level of pride, the commitment to the community,
Absolutely.
and really keeping that economy thriving. So again, why is it just so important to hire that local person and really keep those dollars in Southern Indiana?
Absolutely, yep. They support the Southern Indiana businesses, which in turn helps keep everybody employed. Yep, absolutely.
And keeping the temperature under control, because it has just been a wild winter.
It has been.
And so I'm sure your guys are just here, there, everywhere, across the river even.
Well, yeah, and last week we were 60-something degrees. We were getting air conditioning calls. Guess what? Today, no, we're not getting air conditioning calls. It's all heat.
Yeah. So if you're, in your house right now and you're like, oh my gosh, it has completely gone out, how fast can your team get out there?
We can usually get there same day, if not same day, next day for sure. And we also have we have a large service crew that can go out anywhere, both residentially and commercially. So we're sending trucks every day to Southern Indiana, to Louisville, everywhere.
And again, that service just means so much. So if people are looking into getting a brand new system, getting those upgrades, I mean, everything can be run off your phone now.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Which is crazy. Are you seeing that time and time again?
Absolutely, yeah. Every new installation that we put in a residential application has a Wi-Fi thermostat. So if you go on vacation, you think, hey, I forgot to turn off my furnace, or I forgot to turn off the air conditioner, you just pull it up on your phone and do it. Or if you want to turn it back when you leave, you're getting ready to hop on a plane and come back home, turn the temperature up, you're good to go.
That is just crazy.
Yeah,
Turn everything from just your phone.
Well, and just to think about the technology difference now than when my grandfather started it in 1953, it's unbelievable.
Absolutely. So if people are interested in learning more, getting in touch with your team, maybe getting that programmed into their phone. So if you're just one call away, how can people do that?
Yeah, right now we're running a special, which is we call our Go Hoosier special, up to $1,000 off any HVAC installation. Just give us a call at 812-945-2566, and we'll take care of you.
Right. Thank you so much for stopping in today. I love the ties. I love that you were a season ticket holder.
Yes.
And go Hoosiers.
Go Hoosiers. They need to make a sequel, but make it about football and not basketball this time.
There you go.
Yeah.
Now you're going to be a football state.
That's exactly right. We are. Yes. Yes.
Steve, thank you again
Sure.
so
Thank
much
you.
for being here. So again, if you're interested in learning more, just go over to their website, frankhmonroe.com.